So now you're looking at the aftermath of the blizzard of 2016. What a landscape that you're now looking at here in parts of North Baldwin and the immediate suburbs of New York City. This is just an incredible sight to see. We are in 26 or more inches of snow right now, and that is just a lot of snow to remove. And as you can see, people are finally starting to get out of their homes to assess the situation here. It's just going to be quite a challenging thing to shovel. This is the most snow we've had in quite some time. The last time we've had anywhere close to this was in February 2006. And just going to tell you that we just missed the all-time record by literally a tenth of an inch. 26.8 inches of snow was reported in Central Park yesterday. And just goes to show that just one more inch would have made us have the all-time record in Central Park for the most snow that has fallen in a single storm. And you just can see how everybody is just trying to do what they can to get themselves out. We're effectively snowed in our house, all of us here. So we have to literally dig ourselves out of here. And this is going to be quite the journey and quite the experience to have. And yeah, so I'll do another update once the snow removal gets underway, but I just want to do a quick introductory video. I'll post a lot of pictures of the blizzard of 2016, and yeah, so enjoy it. It's not too bad out here, so it's definitely tolerable, but just a remarkable winter world that we're looking at right now. Sun has finally started to set on this Sunday, January 24th, 2016. It is now, the first day is done. The first day after the blizzard of 2016 is now closing shop here, and it has been quite a day, to say the least, when it comes to surveying all of the snow that has fallen in this area. It has been a long time since we've seen snow totals reach over 2 feet, especially here, and it certainly has happened this weekend. It's funny, December, no snow at all. November, no snow at all. Very little snow in November, but virtually nothing. And now we have literally more than a season's amount of snow in just 24 hours. Crazy how Mother Nature can do what she does sometimes. And that's clearly what happened. Christmas Eve, exactly 1 month ago today, it was 70 degrees. And now it is maybe 33 degrees. In just a month, we literally dove right into the dead of winter. That is just unbelievable perspectives here. And it's gonna be a long time till we see all of this snow melt away. They're saying maybe 10 days or so we're gonna see some melting happening. Good thing is it's going to be a little bit warmer this week, so hopefully that will definitely help jumpstart the melting process, because honestly this snow is going to have to be removed by nature. Nature put it here, so nature is going to have to take it away. We humans can only do so much. You can see a sanitation truck moving some of the snow away. These trucks have been rolling around all morning trying to do what they got to do so that everybody can get about their business. I finally was able to dig out this over here. Now this was quite the challenge, because the problem is with this much snow and salt, this is the heaviest snow to pick up because of the heavy salt and snow mixture, which adds extra weight to this. So that's what you're seeing right here, and that took a lot of effort to remove, so that's been done. You can see the sanitation truck right there removing the snow, doing what it can. There's a car right behind it stuck. Guess it can't really go anywhere until it clears out. But that's what we've been seeing all day long over here. It's going to continue for the next several days. My car has been totally cleaned, completely moved out, and I'm going to move that out soon. The other car in the back is going to be stuck too. So that's pretty much good to go. The cars are ready to go. The SUV, stepfather's SUV is right there, that's been taken out. So we've been able to come out of this relatively nicely. It's just a matter of when this is all gonna go away. That's really what I have to be patient about. But anyway, that's pretty much it. That's probably the last video I'm gonna do. Vlad Florestal, thanks for watching my coverage of, not really coverage, but you can see people driving here. Thanks for watching my video logs that I always do every year. I mean, I try to do this. I'm not good at it, clearly, but it's fun to kind of do since people have expressed that they like me doing these videos. Some of the videos you may have seen may have said January 23rd, 2015. I know a few of the videos I've posted already say 2015, but that's clearly the wrong year. That was last year. So it's 2016. My apologies, the video has already been edited, so I'm not going to go back and remove the video from YouTube and put it back up. So just ignore the fact that it's 2015 and that is 2016. So that's basically it. And that's essentially it. That's pretty much it. It's now sunset, 5:17 p.m. It's getting dark. And that's the end of it. Thanks for watching.